So traders, as you guys are all aware that now in 2026, I just want to share my gratitude before we start the video. I appreciate you guys for showing up to the video, for liking the videos, for subscribing to the channel, and for always showing up and sharing the video so many traders can also learn and adapt and get the gems and the knowledge that I always share to you guys. But like I said, now we're in 2026, and you guys always know that COT Academy doesn't miss on important days and important videos. Today's video, keeping it simple to you guys, sharing our review, or let me just say an insight into what we might look to encounter or expect based on Q1 on Nasdaq, because you guys know that I only work on 3 trading pairs, which is Nasdaq, Gold, and USD CAD. So Nasdaq will always be the first pair that we're always working on. But without further ado, I've said enough and I've shared enough. Let me just break down to you guys what we might look to encounter and what we might expect on Nasdaq looking forward from Q1 up and until the whole year. So as I made sure that I keep it simple to you guys, I made it simple that I marked out this simple support zone, and I marked out the simple resistance zone. And as I mark out the support and the resistance, you guys can clearly tell that our overall structure on Nasdaq, price has been moving inward in a bullish structure until price has started holding wood, those highs and those lows. So if I have to zoom in so you guys can clearly see what I'm talking about, you can tell high highs and higher lows, right? Higher highs and higher lows. That price has been holding wood, a clean uptrend until we hit wood, hit the sideways movement. So based on our sideways movement, Nasdaq, what we're going to be focusing on, just to keep it simple to you guys in Q1, or just looking forward for the whole year in general, if price will indicate to us a possible continuation by giving us bullish strength or bullish candlesticks above this very same highs, above this very same resistance, then we might look forward for those possible continuations to the upside on Nasdaq. But if price will give us an indication of those big moves to the downside, and if price gives us those momentum candlesticks below that zone, then all we're going to be expecting is for those moves to the downside. And that's how we're going to keep it on Nasdaq, just keeping it simple, making sure that we don't look for all information that we need to soak up so we can end up not knowing what to do, but making sure that what we share to you guys will forever be precise and simple, and making sure that we stick to an A+ trading setup. Not saying it will forever be picture perfect, but we focus on making sure that it's an A+ setup. So Nasdaq on the weekly, on our daily time frame for Q1, looking forward for the whole year, it will be very simple. We've marked out resistance, we've marked out support and marked out resistance, and left a clean indication that if it happens that price gives us a break above our resistance, then we'll look for possible continuations of new all-time highs. But if price gives us a fail to break off of our support and gives us momentum below, then I guess we're going to look for the possible reversal to the downside. But until then, we're going to wait and see what is Nasdaq going to do starting up on the whole year. So that's what we're going to share to you guys on Nasdaq on Q1. But what we're going to be focusing on, it's making sure that what we share to you guys is precise and A+, like I said, right? If you got any value from the video, all I'd like for you guys is to do is to share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, like I said, turn on the notification bell. Into most of all, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. But without further ado, this is about Harlem, King COT, and I'm going to get you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.